Good morning, dear students. This class is for all the students, those who have missed Zoom classes because of any reason. So I'm just revising the topics that I covered in Zoom classes. So basically I covered the practical portion of chapter 7 in Zoom classes. So here now I'm revising the topics that I covered. Okay. So chapter 7 is OpenOffice Writer 1. So OpenOffice Writer is a part of OpenOffice suite, which contains many other tools also. Like earlier you all have worked on MS Office, so you know it well that MS Office contains MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, and many other tools also. So in the same way, OpenOffice is a package which contains different types of tools like word processor, spreadsheet software, presentation softwares, and many other softwares are there. Okay, so first we will talk about the word processor software. Okay, so OpenOffice Writer is a word processor. What is the meaning of word processor? Word processor is a software which deals with how to create a professional looking documents, and it contains many features like it is fast in comparison of the traditional methods of typing. It is fast, and it gives us many editing features. After saving our document once, we can make changes in the document, and it gives us permanent storage. We can store the soft copy of our document as long as we want, and it provides us many formatting features like we can make changes in our font style types. We can make it bold, italic, and underline, and we can change font colors also. There are many formatting features available, and we can use graphics if we want to use any pictures or charts or anything in our document, so we can use, and we can make our document more impressive. And next feature is it provides us the OLE feature. Full form of OLE is object linking and embedding. Basically in this feature what we can do, we can insert any other object, or we can add any other object. Other means except the writer document. Okay, like you are working on writer and you want to add any chart and graphs from other source, so we can link that using OLE feature. Next feature is spell check. Like MS Word also, like MS Word, in writer also we have the spell check feature. It gives us the facility of the function of spelling checking, and whenever we type anything or whenever we write anything wrong, so it shows a red wavy line under that word if we write anything wrong. Okay, so and it also, and when we click on that particular word which we have written wrong, so it shows us some matching suggestions also. Like if you misspell something, so it suggests some appropriate spellings also. Okay, next feature is mail merge. So mail merge is basically is a feature which allow us to send to make multiple copies of a single document to multiple addresses in person. Means if you want to send a letter or any document to multiple persons at the same time, so what we can do, we need to just type a single letter like invitation card or anything, so the contents will be same. We will just add recipients in the list, and number of recipients that we will add, like if you will add 50 persons, so the 50 copies of your document will be created automatically. Okay, here I have the picture of your book. So introducing word processor is a package that processes textual matter and creates organized and flawless document. We can make a professional looking document using word processor softwares. Okay, and I explained you about all these features listed here. Okay, so okay, now start with the Open Office word processor. So now we will discuss that how to create an open document, how to type text in that, how to edit a document, and how to save document. Okay, so for opening writer, first you will click on the all program option, and then you will search OpenOffice there, and then you will click on OpenOffice Writer option. Okay, so as you will click on that, option. So see, this window will appear. Okay, this window will appear. You all can see here, this window will appear. Okay, this window you all can see here, this window you can see there, this window will appear. So you all can see here, this window is looking like MS Word window. Here we have many options, like at the top you all can see, at the top you all can see the title bar. Here, this is called the title bar, where you can see the title of your page. Unless until you didn't save your document, so you will find OpenOffice Writer name by default, and as you will save your file with any name, so you will find that name here, Untitled 1. So you will find the name instead of this Untitled 1 caption. Okay, and next we have this menu bar. It contains different kinds of menus, which are just located at the below of the title bar. Okay, there are different kinds of menus like file, edit, view, formatting. Each menu contains different types of option for making changes in our document. Next bar is called the standard toolbar. This is standard toolbar. It contains the tools that we use frequently. Okay, so this bar is called the standard toolbar, and this bar is called the formatting bar. The formatting bar, it contains the tools for used for formatting purpose. Means formatting means, I explained you, formatting means that if you want to make changes in the appearance of your document. Okay, so we have options for formatting purpose here in the formatting toolbar. Okay, next we have the status bar. The status bar you all can see here, this is called the status bar, where we can see the number of pages on which we are working. Okay, and gives us, it shows us the line number, column, and means the status of your page currently where you are working. Next is scroll bar. Scroll bar is used for moving up and down in the document. And we have rulers. Rulers, you all can see, these rulers are used for adjusting margins in the page. Okay, and this blank white page you all can see here, this is our working area. We will be creating our document in this working area. Okay, so this is the introduction of OpenOffice Writer's first window. Okay, next, how to create document in OpenOffice Writer. As you will open up OpenOffice Writer, so first you will click on File menu, and then you will click on New option, and then you will choose Text Document option. Okay, the shortcut key for opening new document is Ctrl+N. So as you will click on this option, or as you will press Ctrl+N key, so a new page, a new blank page will appear. Okay, and that page will look like this screen you can see here. Okay, so you can start writing your test and you can type there. Okay, next is word wrap and enter key. See, word wrap, it's a feature of word processor, or it's a feature of OpenOffice Writer, where we do not need to change the line or line. Automatically it changes the line. See, on a typewriter, whenever you type to end, whenever you want to end a line, you need to hit the return key. In Writer, when the word does not fit on a line, it automatically flows to the beginning of the next line. You do not need to press enter key or any key. Automatically the line will be changed. So this feature is called the word wrap feature. Okay, next point is the non-printing character. Okay, you can choose to have OpenOffice Writer display a number of special characters on the screen that shows the places in the text where you pressed space bar, enter key, tab key. See, this topic is about when you are instructed to follow a very tough type of formatting. Okay, like whenever we give a space, or whenever we press tab key, so we can't see any symbol on the screen that how many spaces we have given, or how many tab key we have pressed, or enter key we have pressed. Okay, but suppose you want to create an official document in which you have to follow a hard and fast formatting. So for that, what we can do, you can click on this non-printing character option. Okay, as you will click there, so as you click on this option, so you all can see here, this arrow sign indicates the tab space. Okay, and the dot displays the space bar.